Good morning students. Today's topic is perimeter and area. Now let us see what is perimeter. Perimeter is a combination of two words. One as peri, another as meter. Peri means around and meter means measure. So we can say that perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. So we can say that perimeter will equals to sum of the length of all the sides of a closed plane figure we have given. Here we will find the perimeter of three figures, one as triangle, other as rectangle and the third one as square. Now let's see how to find the perimeter of a triangle. As we know that a triangle is a closed figure bounded by three sides. Let us take the one side as A, another as B and the third one as C. Now to find the perimeter of it, we will write the formula as sum of length of all the sides. Now perimeter will equals to, here all the three sides are A, B and C, so I will write A plus B plus C. Now to understand this, let us take one example of it. I want to find a perimeter of a triangle having the dimension as P 7 meter, Q as 8 meter and the R as 10 meter. Now to find the perimeter of this triangle, I will write the formula as perimeter is equals to sum of the length of all the sides of a triangle. That is, I will write it as A plus B plus C, or I can write it as P plus Q plus R, as I have given the dimension as PQR. So I will substitute the value of P as 7, the value of Q as 8 and the value of R as 10. When I add up them, I will get the result as 25 meter. So perimeter of a triangle is 25 meter. Now next move to another figure, that is to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Now rectangle is a closed bounded figure by four sides. Two opposite sides are equal. So to find the perimeter of a rectangle, I will write the perimeter as sum of length of all the sides. So here we can say length is 2 times in my figure, width is 2 times. So I will write perimeter is equals to 2 twice of length plus twice of width. Here L represent the length and B represent the width. So I will write as 2 times of L plus B. Now let us understand this by one example. To find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions as L is equals to 18 kilometer and the width as 12 kilometer. Now to find the perimeter of rectangle, I will write the formula as 2L plus B. I will substitute the value of L as 18 and B as 12. So I will get as 2 into 18 plus 12 as 30. So I will get 2 into 30 as 60 kilometer. So this is the perimeter of a rectangle, 60 kilometer. Now let us see how to find the perimeter of a square. A square is a closed bounded figure having all the sides are equal. It has four sides. Now to perimeter, here we will write the formula as sum of length of all the sides. Here we can see clearly in our picture that all the sides are equal. So I will write it as S plus S plus S plus S, because there are four sides. Or either I can write it as 4 into side. So the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Now to find the perimeter of a square having the side as 10 centimeter, I will write the formula perimeter is equals to 4 into side, that is 4 into 10. So I will got the perimeter as 40 centimeter. So the perimeter of a square is 40 centimeter. So now next we will move to next topic, that is area. Now to understand what is area, area measures the surface of a simple closed region. Now the units of an area are the square of the units of a length. We can write it as, whenever we have to find area, the square units can be as square centimeter, square meters and square kilometers. Now we will find the area by two methods. One as by the dividing a region into unit squares, and hence after that counting the unit square, and second by using the formula. First we will move to the first method, that by dividing a region into a square. Now let us take an example. Find an area of a simple closed region by counting unit square. Here we have a picture, that is ABCD. ABCD is a square which is divided into 25 equal squares, each square having a dimension 1 centimeter. So we can say that the area of ABCD, that is as a square, will equals to 25 square centimeters. Or in a short form I can write it as square centimeter as SQCM. Now let us understand this by another example. Find the area of the given figure. Here we have given a figure. Each of the square is 1 square centimeter and each of the triangle equals to half square centimeter. Here each of the triangle is half of the square centimeter and each of the square as 1 square centimeter. Now here we will count. First of all, there are 14 squares and 2 half squares. So I will write the area of the given figure as, there are 14 squares, so I will write 14 plus 2 half square, that is half, plus half, that is half and half will become 1. So 14 plus 1, that is equals to 15 square centimeter. Now I will find the area by using formula. Now to find the area of a rectangle, there will be a formula, that is the area of the rectangle is length into width. Length L for length and B for width. Now let us understand this by one of the example. I have to find the area of rectangle PQRS having length as 7 units and width as 5 units. Now I will write the formula of a rectangle as area is equals to length into width. Now here I clearly see that my length is 7 units and my width is 5 units. So my result will be 35 square units, or I can write it as SQ units. Now let us understand this by another example. Now I have to find the area of the rectangle having the length as 33 meter and the width as 10 meter. Now again I know the formula to find it, that is length into width. Now I will put length as 33 and width as 10. So my area will be 330 square meter. Why I am writing here square meter? Because meter is given. Now next find the area of square. Now to find the area of square, there is a formula, that is we will multiply the side 2 times. Here S will be the length of the side. So the area of a square is side into side. Now let us understand how to find the area of a square in which we have given the units as 13 units. That means the side is 13 centimeter. So here A is area, that is equals to side into side. So I will substitute S as 13 and 13. So I will write it as 169 square units or square unit. Wherever we have to write area, we have to write square units as an answer. Now to find the area of a square having side of a length as, I have given the length as 9 centimeter. Now to find the area of this square, I will write the formula as side into side. Here side is 9 centimeter. So I will write it as 9 into 9, that is 18 square centimeter. So this is the area of a square. Now here we can say that we are able to find from this area of a rectangle as length into width and the area of a square as side into side. Thank you.